Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this light mode lazy gradient with a reflective taco topper. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and to extend the wear of the manicure, I'm also going to be adding a layer of Holo Taco Long Lasting Base. For the gradient today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Flash Drive and Holo Taco Wireless Mode, and once I have the gradient complete, I'm going to finish it off with Reflective Taco. The basic idea with a lazy gradient is just to overlap the colors with each other while they're wet. So I'm going to start off on my pinky with the purple, go slightly past the middle, and then do the other slightly more than a half with the blue, blending them in the middle. Make sure there's no residue on your brush before you put it back in the bottle, and move on to the next nail. It took 3 coats to get the gradient to an opacity that I was happy with. Then I did a little bit of cleanup. Now I'm going to be topping it with Reflective Taco, and I'm going to do 1 or maybe 2 coats. Finally, I'm going to be finishing everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really thrilled with how this turned out. I wanted to do this particular color combination in order to match my little Fall Guys bean, and I'll include a picture up in the corner so you can see how well the matching actually turned out. And I'd never done a lazy gradient before, but my chat really held my hand through this, and it was a really easy technique. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time to show off the reflective in a little bit of a different light. And if you would like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.